my experience in law enforcement, which is over 38 years, has afforded me the opportunity to come into contact with the numerous different aspects of society, different aspects of personnel and people, and their different concerns about how they live their lives and how they do themselves. I believe that with my experience as a law enforcement officer, I'll be able to be a little bit compassionate toward these people and do the job that needs to be done to them in Mirandizing them and making sure that they understand their rights before they go on to the next aspect of their criminal life. Thank you. The first appearance, people when they first come to the justice of the peace or before any magistrate, they're naturally nervous, especially if they're first-time offenders. Especially first-time offenders. They're going to be nervous. They're apprehensive. They don't know what's in front of them. They don't know what lies ahead. So the first contact with the magistrate, justice of the peace, municipal judge, whatever, that person who Mirandizes those people needs to have some compassion. You can't be easy on them. You can't go in here and be hard-nosed either, but you need to be fair, and you need to do everything, and you need to do things on a professional basis, and to maintain the integrity of the law and the integrity of the precinct and of the position that you hold. Thank you. First off, I'd like to thank everybody for being here tonight and listening to all of us, and we hope we've helped make up your minds, or we've muddied the water a little bit. I don't know. It's up to you. But when I first decided I wanted to run for justice of the peace, there was a couple things I asked. I said, was I qualified to do the job? And how good of a job do I think I could do? Number one, being a justice of the peace is going to put me on the opposite side of the bench. For 38 years, I've been a police officer. 25 years in the city of Austin, 13 years in the city of Luling, the last 9 years as a chief of police. And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, in those 38 years, there is very little that I have not seen. I have seen man's most daring inhumanity toward his fellow man. I have also seen the compassion a fellow man gives his fellow man also. By doing this and seeing all this and experiencing this, I don't have a college degree, but I feel like I've got a master's degree in what I've been doing for 38 years. In both areas, whether it's inhumane treatment to a fellow man or a compassionate man, that has enabled me to develop a thick coat that you have to develop as a police officer. And in that thick coat, it allows you to be not only firm when you need to be firm, but it also allows you to be compassionate when you need to be compassionate. But in all aspects of it, at all times, you have to be fair. You have to treat everybody equally. And I feel that my experience and the way that I treat fellow man and the way I respect them enables me to do a good job as Justice of the Peace for Precinct 2, and I ask for your support. Thank you.